Hi, I'm Rick Vanover from Veeam, and in this quick video, I want to give you an overview of Veeam Data Platform 12.2. This is a big release that Veeam had in market in August of 2024. I'm on the product team, and I've been on the product team for 14 years here at Veeam. Really excited to talk to you about this one. So let's jump into it. So 12.2 has the latest release of the Veeam Data Platform. And if you've not heard of the Veeam Data Platform, what is it? Well, it is a combination of three primary products: Veeam Backup and Replication, Veeam One, and Veeam Recovery Orchestrator. They collectively have extensions, like, for example, to extend into the software as a service, or to extend into the hyperscale public cloud and Kubernetes. We have different elements that extend into some of those areas. But it is basically the single platform, small, medium business, enterprise, you name it. I like to say from the basement to the bank, from the home lab to the hospital. This product, this platform can protect it all on scale, on small environments, whatever you need. And some of the new capabilities in 12.2 are already visible. In fact, Proxmox VE is the sixth hypervisor supported by Veeam. A lot of people know Veeam having roots in the virtualization space, but they don't realize that 5 physical agents, unstructured data, several enterprise apps, and all of the main public clouds are supported with Veeam Data Platform. It's truly, truly incredible. And if we look at what is the 12.2 release, okay, so I want to walk you through a small journey of, if we look at the recent releases and what we had in the Veeam On event earlier this year. So Veeam On served as like a kickoff to journey the latest capabilities of the Veeam Data Platform, as well as other initiatives here. And the second column really is a big milestone to what is available now in Veeam Data Platform. And it's really exciting because we previewed it at Veeam On, and now some of these are in market. So it's a roadmap to reality. And there will be more. Later this year, it is reasonable to expect that we'll have an additional release, as well as releases into 2025. The roadmap is stronger than ever at Veeam. So let me show you also kind of what is in 12.2. And so part of the press release, some of the collateral we have on the website is really a lot of information about the product, specifically of what's new. Okay, so this is what our audience, our end users, would use when they go through this. The big one, Proxmox, that new hypervisor, very much a topic when it comes to data freedom, especially organizations who may be reassessing their VMware investment. This one's really attractive. And the most important part of this one is right here. See if I can get it all in there. Full freedom of VM recovery. So what this means is, for organizations that are using Veeam Data Platform with Proxmox, if they want to take their image-based backups on other workloads, physical systems, VMware, Microsoft Hyper-V, Nutanix, Red Hat, Oracle Linux, or even the public cloud, those image-based backups can be recovered directly into Proxmox, which is truly, truly powerful. And likewise, we can take other image-based backups. This can go any direction. We call it data freedom. I'm going to come back to that in a little bit. But, some of the market trends have made this absolutely relevant. And this is based on something that's not exactly new at Veeam, but this is one of the big ones for 12.2. Another set of capabilities is around the Nutanix hypervisor. A lot of capabilities are new here for Nutanix. We've had this in market for around 6 years, I think, several years, and it's doing quite good, and a lot of interest here as well for this hypervisor. And a new database app with MongoDB. We have added NoSQL support basically with MongoDB. It's a NoSQL type of database. A lot of more modern apps are using that. And then other platforms, there's updates for new capabilities there as well. When we also think about some of the cloud capabilities, again, lots of technology in here, but the big ones are the Proxmox and the MongoDB support. I mentioned data freedom. Okay, so data freedom is something that Veeam has had in the market since 2016, and friends, let me tell you, it's more important than ever. This is something that, again, a lot of times people use this technology either because they wanted to or they had to. Veeam's portable data format really allows organizations to take their data and recover it elsewhere. So Proxmox VE in 12.2 is a very good example. It's able to take an image-based backup and recover it to Proxmox. But let me tell you how this technology was really born. This technology was born in 2016 to recover, actually, the first use case was to Azure. And then it expanded to go to and from other virtualization platforms, to and from the cloud and things like that. So it's become out of necessity. Sometimes people need to recover to a new workload. Maybe they're under a ransomware situation and like cybersecurity law enforcement has fenced off their infrastructure. Well, we have to recover, but we can't recover here. So this technology has really been helpful for situations like that as well. Cloud migrations, physical to virtual. It was a great use case also in the supply chain kind of challenges we had a few years ago about getting parts. Oh no, something failed. Physical system. I need to recover it. We'll make it a virtual machine. That type of technology, again, proven in the market, now extending into Proxmox. So a lot of interest for that. There are even partners in the like Veeam services partners that are actually providing services to migrate organizations to Hyper-V, to Nutanix, to Proxmox. They're getting ready to launch all of those types of offerings. So a lot of interest in the market for data freedom, more important than ever. And the best part is no additional Veeam cost for that. So once we do a recovery somewhere else, there's a Veeam cost to back it up on a platform, but not to recover it somewhere new. Cool stuff. And the last thing I want to highlight is just if you want more, reach out to the agency on record or reach out to your Veeam contact. We can do an additional briefing about any of these capabilities that maybe you've seen in the press release or some of the supporting information. If you want a product demo, or if you're a tech journalist, like you run a lab, we can get you lab licenses, just reach out. Or if you want a business update, more strategy, or discuss any of these different topics, please don't hesitate to reach out. Someone on the Corp Comms team, again, or the agency on record can get you in touch with someone from Veeam. Again, I'm Rick Vanover. Thanks for watching, and we hope to talk to you more about Veeam Data Platform 12.2.